So surprisingly, and which I'm really pleased about, the river that I thought would be messed up isn't. And this was my first choice to fish. So I'm going to go along with a weightless FFS micro frog. Whether weightless is the right thing to do in a river, because obviously you've got the flow pushing it down, is the right thing to do, I'm not sure, but we'll just have to see and take it from there. But I am really pleased that this has cleared up, because last week it was like chocolate and the other river was okay. And this is the one with all the lilies that I want to target. So I am pleasantly surprised. Just need to try and locate some of those perch now. I would like to get some chub as well, if there's any about. And I think I've got a chance with the frogs and using the small stuff to get some chublets. Oh, there's a little pike behind my frog. I'm just going to let it fall to the bottom. Hey, first little one. Just look at these beautiful colours. Absolutely mint condition, beautiful. Save the blank. So this is why I wanted to fish this river, because of those lilies on the far side. I want to target them, cast onto them, pull it off, and then if there's anything there, I might come out and get them. And then when you're in the middle bit, just let it sink a little bit, and then bring it in and see if that pulls anything up. But it's those features I wanted to fish too, really. Perch behind it now. Oh, look, yay! That's a nice size. Oh. What a cracker! On the frog. Absolutely gorgeous perch. So I've now changed over to a 1.6 inch Crazy Fisher lure, I think it is, and a small jig head. So this is not weedless, so I need to be a bit more careful. The idea is just to fish a little bit of the deeper water, really. So let's see what this brings. And tangled first cast. It's got like a lot of appendages to give movement, I think, so just going to do it as though I would one of the shads, really. Oh, Don't know what that was. It was either a pike or a chub, quite a long fish I think. Yay. Little perch. Hey?
Good.
Just a few small perch. Nice little sport.
Oh yeah.
So,
Nice coloured out of here, aren't they?
oh, they're beautiful. Tried to come up last week, but the colour was too bad really.
Yeah.
And the pike fishing's been quite hard recently, so I thought I'd just go out for a little bit of fun and get some bites, you know.
Yeah, definitely, mate.
And on the right outfit, they all feel good and
I'll be trotting you up on the BIO ticket.
oh yeah,
Again on the light gear, it's nice.
yeah, that's it. It's just about getting a balanced tackle, isn't it?
Yeah.
What's it like up there? Is it still overgrown and stuff?
It's quite overgrown.
Yeah, yeah.
Trotting back this year, I'm like,
Yeah, because we was members last year, but we haven't renewed this year. But it's like, yeah, it was just it was hard finding spots to fish really. But
yeah. I'll get the ticket for you, so me and my mate call it our away ticket, you know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah.
Down on the Avon or anywhere.
oh yeah, yeah,
We don't like pike fishing down that way in the winter.
yeah. Well, I was going to go down. Oh, there's a pike.
You'll have it though, won't you?
Oh yeah. He actually went for it then. On this tackle it'd be great. Here he comes. There he goes. Up. See, I could tell when I struck it into that pike then that because of how light the rod is, didn't get much of a hook hold at all. It was, I either need to strike a lot harder and take that into consideration, because you could just feel it giving when you struck into it, and not surprisingly the hook just popped out. Unfortunately my GoPro battery ran out and I didn't have the power bank with me to charge it up. I managed to find a couple of small jublets and add some more perch on the allure, but unfortunately a match came on the river and that reduced the amount of pegs I could have carried on fishing. But it was a good little session and I was glad I nearly got that pike, and next time we'll try again. Another gorgeous perch. Unfortunately the GoPro battery's run out. Absolutely beautiful.